Kat. Enjoy the next few minutes of our family congratulating you for your graduation. I'm so proud of you again, and I hope you enjoy this. Love you. Bye.
Hi, I just want to say congratulations, Kat. I'm so very proud of you. And I just love your creative, wild, funny spirit and just all the joy that you bring into my life and that you have brought into my life since you were born. So I love you and I'm very proud of you. Congratulations.
Hi, Kat. We just want to congratulate you for all your successes over the years and accomplishments that you've made and the future that you have. So keep dreaming, even though this may not be the graduation that you planned for, and know that your class of 2020 is going to change the world. We love you.
Hi, Kat. Happy birthday. You don't want me to sing, so I won't. I hope you have a great day and that you have a great year. And congratulations on graduating. And it's a great experience and excellent job working through all of this stuff. And good luck. Love you. Bye.
Hello. Hey, Kat. This is a message for your graduation. When I was your age, I pretty much had my life mapped out in my head. I didn't really have a plan, just an idea. I had dreams, but I didn't know how to make plans or get the resources I was going to need to make those happen. So I wish I could say that those dreams were fulfilled. Some were, most weren't. I think a lot of that was because I never valued myself enough. I didn't dream big enough, or when I did, I sold myself short by not making plans on how to get there. I just figured it would happen if I wanted it enough. The best luck I find these days comes from hard work and effort, communicating my needs and sharing what I know with others. I'm still learning how to set goals. I still rely too much on maybe it'll happen. It's really hard for me to value myself enough to make a goal and set a plan to get it. Kat, you are an amazingly beautiful, talented, incredibly intelligent young woman. I know you have everything you need to succeed in this life, whatever you choose to do. But choose. Choose to find value in yourself when others cannot or will not see it. Choose to find contentment in where you are at and with what you have, even as you strive to make your dreams come true. Some will, some may not. Learn to be happy in the present. It will not save you from heartbreak, but it will keep you sane and able to keep going when it happens. Make plans, set goals, and believe that you are worth attaining them. Because you are. And to heck with the jerks who say otherwise, and there are plenty of those people. So give yourself grace to fail. Fail. Make mistakes. Learn how to use what everyone else considers a disaster to grow and improve. I avoided success and failure by never trying, terrified of messing up. I had to do it right or not at all, and there's a lot I never did because of that. But I've also done some pretty crazy stuff because I didn't know any better, and I learned in the process, and I'm still learning. So here's to your life. I guarantee you it's not going to turn out exactly as you plan it, but it will be an adventure, and learning how to be present and take in the pain and pleasures of today while looking towards tomorrow will be a tool you'll find useful in every situation. So enjoy the ride. Love you.
Hi, Kat. I want to do a celebration firework and a celebration cocktail.
Congrats on graduating, Kat. I miss you. Hope to see you soon.
Hi, Kat.
Hi, Kat. Congratulations.
Congratulations on your graduation. We miss you.
We miss you.
I don't even think you've been to our house.
You should come to our house.
When are you going to come to our house?
Well, we have an extra bedroom. Let's look at the house. Let's look at this is the backyard. There's grass down there. Oh, look, there's a river right there. You see that bear? Whoa. And then there's the house and stuff. And then here's the backyard. Look, it goes up way up into the mountains and stuff. And did I tell you, here's my wife. Did I tell you?
We got strawberries today. I'm going to plant them. I don't know if you can see those. Whoa. But there's already strawberries on them anyway.
Hey, did we say we're proud of you? And that we have an extra bedroom? There's that bear. See
Can
that
you
bear
see the
behind
creek
us?
down there? You should really come here.
Yeah.
We miss you, girl. We're really proud of you. I love the picture that you drew of the flower. I didn't know you were such a talented artist.
Did you really do that?
I know you sing, and I know you've been involved in so much stuff, and I did get to see one of your concerts, and that was awesome. So send us stuff. Talk to us.
And we love you.
We love you a lot.
We love you a lot.
Wish we could be together.
Yeah, soon.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi, Kat. I want to congratulate you the last day of school. Bye, I love you.
Kat, wanted to tell you happy graduation. Sorry that I can't be there this year. I will put a card in the mail and send you a gift. I love you.
Happy graduation. Have fun. Bye.
Love you so much,
We
Kat.
love you, Kat.
You're so unique, and as a result, your graduation is unique also, and we just bless you during this time.
So we've been trying to imagine what your graduation ceremony might have looked like.
So if anyone asks for a video of your graduation ceremony, here's something that you might be able to give to them. Love you.
Graduates of the class
2020.
Morgan Jillian Bonds. Paula Boned Boyana.
Most of this you're not going to remember years from now. Definitely 40 years from now. Maybe even 10 years from now. Announcing Catherine Terrell. Yay! Cat! That's the part you'll remember for about 2 years, or longer if you keep the video. What's a movie without an outtake? These are the parts that you can forget immediately. Oh, well, where do I go? Oh yeah, right down here. Yeah, got it. Love you.
Good job, Kat.
Kat, happy birthday. How old are you now? I don't know, but congratulations too. Hope it's a good life after senior year. Love you.
Happy graduation, Kat. Congratulations. This is a big stepping stone in life. It's super awesome. Life will just start kicking into high gear pretty soon, and 5 years will go by and you won't even realize it. But good job, and year of 2020 has been very crazy already, and I think it'll be remembered forever. So just keep that in mind. Your class of 2020 is a pretty sweet year to finish schooling. But yeah, keep your head level and party on, but don't party too hard.
Happy graduation, Kat. I'm very proud of the woman you're becoming. You're beautiful, smart, and witty. I know this wasn't the ideal senior year, but you have stayed strong. We can all learn lessons during this time about how to treat others and about what's truly important. I hope you take all that forward with you. You will do amazing things. I just know it. I love you, and I'm so proud of you. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Kat! We're so excited for you graduating.
We love you.
We miss you.
Oh, you good. Okay, I was just gonna say that I really miss playing music with you guys. That was so much fun, and I'm definitely gonna treasure that memory forever. So we're definitely praying for you, and keep doing music. Colorado was so much fun. We miss you guys. It was a lot of fun and great to see y'all again.
We love you.
We love you guys.
We're
Hope to see you soon.
Congratulations. Very proud of you. Yes.
Keep it up.
Absolutely.
And you and Hilton are 2020 grads. Way to go, cousins.
All right, guys.
Congratulations, Kat. Well done. Very proud of you. You're terrific.
Okay. Congrats again. Love you so much. And we'll be in touch. Wish we were out there celebrating with you.